Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss this problem. So let's begin the observation part. Here the equation involves what? The greatest integer x and the x. Okay, if you recall one concept that whenever we see that the equation involves these kind of things, so how to proceed? Let's quickly discuss. The step 1 is going to be what? Replace the x with this one. Okay, that is, you have to just break the x into two parts. The first is going to be the integer one, the second one is going to be the fractional one. Now the step 2 is going to be what? You have to separate the fractional part of x here. Now let's start the solution part here. So if you observe what we have, this equation we have, so we are going to apply the step 1, that is replace the x. So if I replace the x here, so I have this one, is it? Yes. Now if you multiply this 2 with these terms, what you will get? You will get 2 times of greatest integer x and 2 times of fraction part of x, and we have minus of 2 times of greatest integer x. So quite obvious, these two are going to be cancelled out here. Yes. Now next we left with this equation. So if you are able to recall, the graph of fractional part of x is going to be what? It seems like this. Okay, now it says that the fraction part of x is equals to half. So at this value it is going to be half, at this it is going to be half, at this, at this. So all these points will provide you what? Half here. So it is going to be quite easy that whenever the x is going to be what? N plus half. Okay, where I will say that n is nothing but the integer. N is going to be nothing but a integer. If you observe this point, okay, you got at 0.5. This is nothing but 0 plus half here. Now if you see this one, it is nothing but 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2. Now if you observe this one, it is nothing but what, everyone? Minus half plus half. Now this point is minus 2 plus half. So that's why I just told you that the correct answer is going to be what? Whenever the x is equals to n plus half, where the n is nothing but the integer. So this is going to be the correct one. For such videos, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you.